Spoof. Definition. Spoof is a text which tells factual story, happened in the past time with unpredictable and funny ending. Its social function is to entertain and share the story. Or, spoof is a type of story which has twist, funny part in the end of the story. It contains an unpredictable event which makes the story fun. Generic structures. A. Orientation. Introduction of the participant of the story. Where it happened and when. By giving the orientation, reader will recognize the story. B. Events. Tells about the chronological of the story. Several events are explored in the chronological way, which able to arrange the story read nicely. C. Twist. An unpredictable plot in the end of the story which amuses the reader. Readers even did not predict before that it would be. Language feature. A. Focusing on individual participant. B. Use of material process. C. Use of circumstance of time and place. D. Use of past tense. E. Use of direct speech for the dialogue. F. Using action verb. 8. Run, etc. G. Using adverb of time and place. H. Told in chronological order. Example. It's time to go to school. Early one morning, a mother went in to wake up her son. Wake up, son! It's time to go to school.
But why, Mom? I don't want to go.
Give me 2 reasons why you don't want to go.
Well, the kids hate me for one, and the teachers hate me too.
Oh, that's no reason not to go to school. Come on, now wake and get ready.
Give me 2 reasons why I should go to school.
Well, for one, you're 52 years old. And for another, you're the principal.